Today we will introduce you to the AI Visual Egg Handling System. This is the starting point of the AI Visual Egg Handling System, the setter tray transfer machine. Through double-layer positioning by detection and servo pulse number, the egg shuffling position is accurately located. Equipped with servo system flexible egg shuffling technology, it can be gently transferred without damaging the eggs. It can automatically alarm if the egg shuffling is abnormal, so that every egg can start safely. AI Visual Egg Handling Equipment. Ultra-high definition dual view imaging, 1000 x 1000 pixel high definition capture. 360-degree no-dead angle analysis of the development status of the eggs. The constant voltage and constant current light source system is equipped with imported LED wicks. To ensure that the characteristics of each egg are captured clearly and completely, the camera light source is long-lasting and stable, and the recognition is accurate and consistent. AI Visual Egg Handling Equipment can accurately identify live embryo eggs, infertile eggs, dead germs, rotten eggs and inverted eggs, with an efficiency of up to 50,000 eggs per hour. Based on the continuous iteration of AI training models, the accuracy of egg recognition is steadily improving. With intelligent eyes, we can protect live embryo eggs. The identified eggs enter the robot transferring equipment. Single-point grabbing avoids cross-infection. 336 sets of cylinder-linked single-point suction cups. Only grab live embryo eggs and accurately transfer them to the setter tray, cutting off the risk of cross-infection from the source and building a safety barrier for the health of the chicks. The sorting equipment automatically removes eggs with inviable embryos, and the intelligent sorting module can realize 3-channel classification and output of infertile eggs, dead germs and rotten eggs. The leftover egg handling equipment automatically accumulates setter trays with eggs and performs regular manual processing, completely eliminating the trouble of downtime and ensuring continuous operation of the production line. The setter tray cleaning machine has triple cleaning functions: pre-wash, main wash and rinse, combined with high-temperature disinfection and quick drying functions. The setter tray is clean and sterile after cleaning, ready for the next hatching. The setter tray stacking equipment automatically stacks the trays and accurately pushes them into the setter tray transfer vehicle for storage and waiting for use. Only regular manual intervention is required. Setter tray transferring, AI Visual Egg Handling, robot egg transferring, intelligent sorting, leftover egg handling, setter tray cleaning and setter tray stacking work together seamlessly, accurately and efficiently, opening a new journey of visual egg handling and transferring.